Okay. Uh, how do you punish your children when they dash? When they misbehave? Tom dashed to kill Mary if she told anyone what had happened. Form past threatened. John is very dash when it comes to talking about his childhood. છુપાવે બધું. Secretive. Are you for or against the dash? Proposal. Are you in the favor for the proposal? Country people are traditionally dash of strangers. એવા લોકો પર doubt કરે. So they are always suspicious of strangers. It's been a dash working with you. It's been a pleasure. John didn't regret his dash. ના પડી એનો દુઃખ નહીં હતું એને. Refusal. Tom's divorce from Mary dash cost him more than $1 million. એવું કહેવામાં આવે છે. Reportedly. It's difficult to teach people what they are dash to learn. ઈચ્છા નહીં રાખતા હોય. They are unwilling to learn. Difficult to teach people what they're unwilling to learn. That's a very serious dash. Arop. Accusation. That's a very serious accusation. A genius is a person with dash creative abilities. કેવી હોય? Extraordinary. Extraordinary. That is extraordinary. I copied a dash from the book in my notebook. Passage is the paragraph. The government is dash against the plan. The British government. Okay. Tom got an dash visit from Mary. Unexpected. It was dash that someone had taken the money by mistake. દેખાતું હતું. જે ક્લિયરલી દેખાતું હતું એને કહેવાય apparent. It was apparent. અને apparently. How can you be so cruel and dash? આટલા નિર્દય કેવી રીતે હોય? Heartless. Okay. The earthquake in Hokkaido caused dash damage. Extensive. If you don't bother the bees, they are dash to sting you. They are unlikely to sting you. She was the most beautiful woman in the whole dash Rajyama kingdom. Elizabeth was the youngest dash of the king. Any પૂર્વજની પેઢી હતી સૌથી નાનામાં નાની. આવડું જે મૂવીઝમાં જોવા મળે. ડિસેન્ડ એટલે એમાંથી આવું, વંશજમાંથી આવું. વંશજને શું કહેવાય? Yes, descendant. She was the youngest descendant of the king. Tom is the most dash man in Boston. Influential. CIAL नहीं TIAL આવશે. Okay. Though the doctor did his best, the patient's dash was very slow. Recovery. It is unusual for dash players to score many goals. કયા આવશે? નહીં. ફૂટબોલ કોણ રમેલું? Defensive players. यार. Aditya also didn't play football. कोई football नहीं विनय? Okay. प्रोफेशनल तो कोई भी नहीं रमे यार. इंडिया वाला नहीं रमे प्रोफेशनल. આપણે પ્રોફેશનલ. Okay, what's the dash of this road? પહોળાઈ શું છે? Width. The region has the largest population dash in the country. એટલે population નો આમ જથ્થાને શું કહેવાય? Density. Yes. Dense to mean density. Could you please dash introduce yourself? Tukuma. Briefly. Her dash in God is very firm. એટલે એનો વિશ્વાસ બહુ છે ભગવાનમાં. Belief. A belief in God. Okay, I would rather die than live in dash. બેઇજ્જતીથી તો મેં મરી જવાનું પસંદ કરું. Dishonor. I can't dash the last time we met. યાદ નથી આવતું મને. I can't recall. Yes. Dash often goes hand in hand with pollution. Industrialization. Okay. Our city is rather small in dash with Tokyo. In comparison. If you hurry, you will dash him. And આગળ પહોંચી જશો. You will overtake him. His intelligence and experience dash him to deal with the trouble. શું કરે છે એને હેલ્પ કરે છે એવું કરવામાં. એનું intelligence and experience enabled him to deal with the trouble. He dashed the bottle with water. ભર્યું. He filled. Kenya became dash in 1963. Independent. Okay. Okay. Nobody is more dash than Tom. એના જેવો કોઈ લાયક નહીં મળે. He is very competitive. We need someone to lead us out of the dash. અંધકારમાંથી કોઈ બહાર લઈ આવે. શક્તિમાન. His dash was greeted with cheers. એનું આગમન. Arrival. She was dash calm while everyone else was panicking. બહુ અજીબ રીતે. She was strangely calm. Tom doesn't think it's dash to eat certain insects. એને ગંદુ નથી લાગતું. Disgusting. According to John's doctor, his condition is dash. ની થાય cure. Incurable. અને curable હોય તો થઈ જાય. I don't know if I can speak French well enough to explain this properly. Adverb. Okay. Tom and Mary have achieved dash results using this technique. Remarkable. The answer is remarkable. Okay. The dash between Jack and Kelly is about 3 years. The age difference. Eventually, Tom's dash overcame his fear. એની જે આતુરતા હતી, his curiosity. The dog looked at his master with dash. ચિંતાથી જોયું. Anxiety. I can never make up stories. I have absolutely no dash. કલ્પના જ નહીં મળે મારા. Imagination. We have all done things we are dash of. આપણને શરમ લાગે. We are ashamed of means you have shame for it. Tom certainly didn't deserve the dash he received. એને જે સજા મળી, he didn't deserve the punishment. Smoking can cause a slow and dash death. Painful. Expressing your feelings is not a sign of weakness. We had an dash that he would clean the house and I would cook. We had an arrangement. The hike was dash, but we had a lot of fun. થકાઈ નાખે એવી hike હતી. ચઢાણ. It was exhausting. Exhausting. આ બધા words actually basic લાગે પણ બોલવાના ટાઈમે યાદ નહીં આવે. આપણે બોલીએ we got tired, but we got exhausted. The scientists have not found any explanation for the dash phenomenon. Mysterious. એટલે રહસ્યમય. Next one. Even though Joe has a very dash job, he always makes time for Jill and the kids. Demanding jobs. She gave me one of those dash smiles and I had to agree. એવી સ્માઇલ આપી કે મેમ દિલ પીગળી ગયું મારું. કેવી સ્માઇલ? irresistible. He remained calm even in the dash of danger. Presence of danger. Richard Dash wanted someone to help him. Richard, obviously, he wanted his dash about tomorrow's dance. Excited. Is excited. Seen from a dash, the stone looks like a human face. दूर थी જોઈએ તો. Distance. The report looks at economic dash in Europe and elsewhere. Economic growth. I don't earn enough money to buy clothes dash regularly. Country roads aren't as dash as city roads. They aren't as crowded. I want to make a dash to the management. Complaint. Complainter. This is a noun. Their eyes were full of dash. Sad no શું થશે? Sadness અથવા sorrow. The entry dash for essay competition was very strict. Requirements. Plural. Are. According to reports, many dash immigrants may face deportation if they are not granted amnesty. કેવા? નહીં. કોઈ બિલ પાસ થવાનું કયા લોકો જેની પાસે કાગળ નથી તો શું કહેવાય એને? Undocumented. Right. Many undocumented immigrants may face deportation if they are not granted amnesty. So they are called undocumented. Amnesty means government જ્યારે તમારા ક્રાઇમ કે તમે જે બી હોય તમારા પર કેસીસ ચાલતા હોય એનાથી તમને મુક્ત કરી નાખે. So they give you amnesty. So amnesty means mercy but only by the government. તમે કોઈ પર દયા બતાવો તો you show kindness. You can show mercy. But government will give amnesty. It's a government word. કે law તમારા ગુના માફ કરી નાખે એને કહેવાય amnesty. એટલે ઘણીવાર એવું થાય તમે ટીવી શોઝ માં જોયું કે ટેરરિસ્ટ ને બધું ખબર હોય કયા ક્રાઇમ્સ કયા બોમ્બ લગાવેલા એટલે એને અરેસ્ટ કરી નાખે. પેલા એમ કે હું તમને એડ્રેસ બતાવું તમે મને amnesty આપો. Okay, last few. He gave a detailed dash of the accident. Description. We were dashed for the concert to begin. ઉતાવળિયા થઈ ગયા હતા. We were impatient. Okay, I have a friend whose father is a famous actor. The dash of getting all the answers correct is about 1 in 10. Probability. Next one. Tom was dash when he saw Mary kiss someone else. Fury એટલે ગુસ્સો. He was furious. The boy was sold into dash. ગુલામીમાં નાખી દીધો. Slavery. The popularity of a website depends on its dash. નહીં એના અંદર જે માલ હોય એના પર ડિપેન્ડ કરે. Content. Yes. He was a famous dash and a competent diplomat. What I say? He was a poet. You need to be careful not to hurt Paul's dash. Feelings. Every person will be admitted dash of his or her age. એને ધ્યાનમાં રાખ્યા વગર. Regardless. Okay, regardless of. Peter's French is dash good. Surprisingly good. I'm sorry, I had to cancel my dash appointment. He won the election by a large majority. Okay, my initial dash was correct. Assumption. He came to school after a long absence. એટલે ગેરહાજરી પછી. Next one. To prevent and dash, the commander used to patrol the border twice a day. Invade કરે ને એના attack ને કહેવાય invasion. There was a lot of sibling dash between Tom and his brother. દુશ્મનાહટ ભાઈ બહેનમાં હોય ને એવી રીતે. Rivalry, sibling rivalry. The dash had entered the house through a back window. Intruder એટલે ઘૂસબેઠિયો. All the dash suggests that Peter was murdered. All the evidence suggests that Peter was murdered. Next one. They were among the early dash on the east coast of America. Revavi gaila. Settlers. They were the early settlers. Germany is Europe's largest and most dash economy. Prosperous. Cinema in Britain is undergoing a dash of popularity. ફરીથી આવી રહ્યું છે. Revival. ફરીથી જ્યારે જાગૃત જીવિત કરે ને revival. I'll email my report to you as soon as and dash. As and dash. Attachment. There must be a scientific dash for this. Explanation. I just want a little more dash to make my own decision. Freedom, azadi જોઈએ. I felt a sense of dash when my friends refused to support me. મને એવું લાગ્યું ગદ્દારી લાગી મને. Sense of betrayal. Betrayal એટલે ગદ્દારી. Okay. The dash was sentenced to life in prison. Khuni, murderer. His campaign for father's right has become an dash. It has become an obsession. Obsession. The man lit a cigarette with a dash. Lighter. I wonder if it really was a dash. Coincidence. Life without love is totally the floor is dash, so be careful. Slippery. I hope my dash is wrong. Prediction is wrong. My older brother made all the dash for us. Preparation for us. My eyes are very dash to light. Sensitive. You're very sensitive to light. I don't think this is a dash request. Unreasonable. એટલે આ બરાબર રિક્વેસ્ટ છે, જાયઝ છે. ઓકે, પછી I couldn't understand the dash that was just made. Announcement. How would dash people escape in an emergency? Disabled. એટલે અપાહિજ લોકો કેવી રીતે ભાગશે? Your arguments are very dash. Persuasive. This is by far the best novel that has been dash this year. Published. Tom asked Mary to give dash at his school. Speech. He is dash to better treatment. Entitled. The custom dash in China originated. The computer is an absolute dash now. Necessity. He was not his dash wife. कायदाकीय. Lawful. के legal. Lawful. I have not been feeling very well dash lately. Next one. How big was your dash? Contribution. You don't need to get all dressed up. It's a dash event. Informal. Many countries have problems with poverty. Her behavior was પાછું આવ્યું, ગુસ્સે કરી નાખે એવું. Contemptible. Tom Dash needs money. Desperately. We are sorry to inform you that your application has been unsuccessful. Okay. She put some money away every month for her dash, for her retirement. Tom wondered where Mary had spent her childhood. If you dash, I'll send you to bed. Misbehave. Tom's girlfriend dashed to leave him. Threatened. I repeat thata છે હવે. He was very dash about his plans. આ બધા થઈ ગયા, I think. Okay, all right. Cool. So then we will look at some difficult ones which are here. બધા easy છે અહીંયા સુધી. Okay. So from 400, હવે અહીંયાથી પાછા થોડા hard થાય છે. Last. He took a job with a dash company. Insurance. The teacher stressed the importance of daily practice. We have already reached an agreement. James is a dash basketball player, exceptional player. If I had time, I would accept his invitation. We won the national The United States is the world's dash cotton exporter. Leading. What do you consider your greatest achievement? The results were very strange. In fact, they were unbelievable. He has an unfortunate dash to understand people's feeling. Nathi enama. Inability. He has an unfortunate. અગર સમજી શકે તો સારું કહેવાય ને, અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટ નહીં થાય. હવે બધા જો નવા આવશે થોડાક. Due to the Clark's dash, we missed the train. જીદના લીધે. Stubbornness. Due to his stubbornness. What we saw was beyond all expectation. Pachi, she is a student of humanity, that is a subject. The book contains some great illustrations. Please give us details of your present occupation. What is the dash of the Danube river? Length. The dash of our agriculture is important if you want to produce food. No. Mechanization. Drug dash is a problem causing great concern. Addiction. Drug addiction. Okay, now I'm not going to type, I'm just going to speak there. Okay, so more quickly. The dash of the awards is scheduled on Friday. Presentation. The presentation. I have been sworn to dash, so I can't say a word. I have been sworn to secrecy. After losing her job, she was dashed for a month, unemployed. Pushing into a queue is considered to be extremely impolite. The audience gave the violinist a round of dash. Applause. He isn't happy with his job because he feels he is underpaid. Ocha malta chhe. So he is underpaid. We have just been shown another example of dash killing. Vicharya vagar koine mari nakhe ne, senseless. My sister's dash makes her social life difficult. Any sharam, shyness. I'm not sure at all. I really can't say with dash certainty. My dash is the history of Elizabethan England. Specialty. The police were told by their dash where to find the criminal. Informants. અને આપણે બોલી informer. બરાબર? Informant is the correct word. He received many medals for his acts of dash during the war. Heroism. Very nice. Heroism. Okay. The dash of the company is said to be dangerous to small firms. Expansion. For all of us, Marilyn Monroe was dash of beauty. જ્યારે કોઈ માણસ કોઈ વસ્તુનું પ્રતીક બની જાય ને કહેવાય personification. She was the personification of beauty. I can guarantee the dash of a new product. So I'll say reliability. So I'll say I can guarantee the reliability of a new product. The government is encouraging heavy investment. People who suffer from dash should buy themselves a pet. Loneliness. George and I have been friends since dash childhood. Everybody is worried about the dash of the rainforest. Destruction. Some MPs are calling for dash without trial. Detainment. Detainment current criminals. My grandfather was given a medal for dash. Bravery, Bahaduri. My father takes great dash in his work. Pride. This bag contains all my photographic dash equipment. Dash is probably the most useful form of energy. Electricity. John turned up on the wrong day because of a dash. Misunderstanding. Jake had another dash with his boss. Disagreement. Kati agreement ke disagreement. The bank robbers were sentenced to 12 years of imprisonment. Mary suddenly felt sick, so we needed a dash for her part in the play. Replacement. Failure to apply in time may result in a dash of benefits. Loss of benefits. Pat was accused of stealing some dash documents. Confidential. In the future, the public will have a wider dash of television programs. Choice. Looking after the health of 700 children is heavy responsibility. The town spent more money on dash and health than ever before. Housing. Money on housing. Do you have any particular dash where we can sit? Preference. Choice or preference. There's a dash contrast between what he does and what he says. Striking. Striking means very clear difference. The party turned out to be a huge dash. Disappointment. He was fined and dashed for reckless driving. Qualified disqualified. He was fined and disqualified for reckless driving. Is it possible to remove the smell from the books that have been in dash for such a long time? Storage. Many people are interested in job dash more than in earning large amount of money. Job satisfaction. I haven't made a dash, so I just got on the first flight. Yes, I haven't made a reservation. The anti-doping means drug association believes that all sports must be free of drug. So I'll say abuse. Drug abuse. Badda sports ma use nahi thau jo. Drug abuse. Drug abuse. The country is facing population explosion. It is dash to fasten your seat belts before takeoff. Advisable. She claimed dash benefits for over 6 months. Benefits kaya mala unemployment benefit. Unemployment benefit. Tax dash is one of the biggest problems that face the new country. Chori. Evade no word kya use? Tax evasion. So bola hai na? The word is tax evasion. Okay, you can basically wear what you want, but there is a dash law that says you must not wear jeans. Unwritten law. Bola hi nahi but samajh. It's an unwritten law. The dash course is being paid for by the company. Management. It's a dash shame that she didn't have a better chance in life. It's a crying shame. The farmhouse we stayed in was completely off the dash track. Rasto banavelo enathi alag, yani ke beaten track. Beaten track. The police searched the house dash systematically. He is a dash paid senior executive, highly paid. A full scale dash of our company is urgently needed. Reorganization. It's already an organization, so reorganization is urgently needed. Are we going to be saved dash by our oil supplies? Economical. The answer is economical. Experts have tried to find a dash to the personnel problems. Solution. She's a specialist in psychology and human dash behavior. The dash of the most important port of the country eliminated all trade. Blockade, not blockage. Blockade. The dash system of some countries used to be based on gold. Monetary. He recovered from his injuries in the hospital. Navy no hospital ને શું કહેવાય? Naval. 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 Aerial base હોય ને એવી રીતે આવે naval. He has loved her dash ever since they first met. Passionately. The importance of this dash has been extremely overrated. Invention. He is a convinced dash of Chinese communism. Follower. Jane's party was more of a dash test than anything else. Endurance test. The government has committed itself to developing dash sources of energy. Come on, avadu જોઈએ. Renewable. Not newable, renewable. He took a job as a sales dash in a big department store. Assistant. Okay, 20 more. The potential benefits of this treatment dash the risk. Easy. Eyelids wala છો તમે. Outweigh. Make sure the hair dryer is dash before you fix the switch. Disconnected. They say that travel dash the mind, broadens the mind. મગજ ને વધારે. Without his teacher's dash, he would have given up long ago. Encouragement. Dickens' last novel was dash The Mystery of Edwin Drood, entitled. She has known me for 2 years now, but she still dash my name. ખોટું pronounce કરે. She mispronounces mine. The writer spent his dash in a quiet seaside village. Boyhood. Childhood હોય ને એવી રીતે boyhood. We were so busy. We were so busy at work that there was no time to suffer from dash. Boredom. Can you lend me a pen knife? I need to dash my pencil. Sharpen. We had 4 good applicants for the job, so it was hard to decide who would make the best appointee, like interviewee, appointee. It was very dash of you not to give Sue a call on her birthday. Thoughtless. વિચારેલું હોય તો thoughtful. So thoughtful of you. So thoughtless of you. અથવા inconsiderate of you. The presidential car will, of course, be completely bulletproof. The morning trains to the city are always packed with commuters. Up down curve. Commuters. George means well, but his contributions to our meetings are often rather unhelpful. Helpless. Unhelpful. Okay, last 5. We had an unusually cold winter with dash temperatures for 2 months. 0 થી ઓછું sub-zero. જોયું ને sub-zero. We all dash his story. It just didn't seem to at all plausible. We all ની વિશ્વાસ આવે. શું કહેવાય ને? We all disbelieved. Teachers sometimes complain of being dash and overworked. ઓછું મળે અને કામ વધારે કરાવે. Underpaid. Students often tend to be a bit dash, but they usually become less radical with age. કેવા બને? બધાથી ઝઘડો કરે એને કહેવાય anti establishment. Tend to be a bit anti establishment. I'm sorry to be so dash. I would like to think things over for another day or two. જે decide નહીં કરી શકે ને શું કહેવાય? Indecisive. So હવે undecisive, indecisive. All right, so that is the end of the whole thing. This PDF can be downloaded as well.